Kayong nasa droga, papatayin ko talaga kayo. Tignan ninyo. Ay, wala akong pasensya dyan. Wala akong middle ground dyan. Either you kill me or I will kill you, idiots.
Of course, pag people power.
Yung group nyo, hindi na kayo part ng CARE?
Well, I felt sad, and depressed,
And what was running in your mind at the time?
Well, I have to accept the reality that 15 million people voted for him and to accept, the results of the election. There are checks and balance, And that is why that I don't think he can easily get away with, even human rights violation or extrajudicial killings, because the eyes of the nation and of the world is on him. What I'm afraid of is that we become a nation where a lot of people have lost a sense of right and wrong.
Parang totoo naman siya sa lahat na sinasabi niya dito sa gusto niyang mangyari. So kung tutulungan natin siya, magiging totoo yun. Kasi nga yung mga kalaban niya, hindi lang naman na mamamayan, mayroon din tayong nasa gobyerno na gumagawa din ng hindi maganda.
You look at the computer, long work, long of the office.